Hello, this is Eileen, the environmental educator, and it's Friday, so we're gonna do a Friday fun stuff. If you've been around here before, I think stuff like this is fun stuff. This planet that we live on is just really cool, and it has to do with the Northern Lights that a lot of people got treated to like a week or two ago now, and more importantly, the solar flares that create the northern lights and how it, interacts with the environment, and not just the environment, but apparently it interacts all the way down to the ocean floor. So this was on Interesting Engineering. The last solar storm was so severe that it sank to the ocean floor. Right here, Canada's deep sea instruments detected major disturbances in Earth's magnetic field. This was May 20th, 2024. Today's the 23rd. I don't know how to say that. It's not the person's name. Dixit. This was covered by MSN. It's the exact same article. It was also on Yahoo, a Gizmodo article maybe, by Isaiah Schultz. But this was pretty interesting findings right here. Ocean Networks Canada's instruments based deep beneath the ocean surface detected major disturbances in the Earth's magnetic field, deep below the ocean surface. So the instruments, which function as underwater observatories, are located as deep as 1.6 miles below the ocean surface. These mainly serve as a magnetic compass to monitor the ocean off the coast of Canada. And the ONC's undersea observatories were able to record the impacts of the intense solar storm that influenced Earth in May. The data indicated temporary distortions in Earth's magnetic field, showing how far-reaching these solar events can be. Yeah, they said that, the ONC president and CEO, Kate Moran, said that the reach of these data recordings kilometers under the ocean surface highlights the magnitude of the solar flare over the past weekend and suggests that the data may be useful for better understanding the geographic extent and intensity of these storms. So all the way to the bottom of the ocean. And right here, maybe I can enlarge this here. This is the graph that they put out. If you know how to read all of these magnetic readings, there's the graph that they put out. And it says that the researchers noticed anomalies in the data during routine quality control checks. Initially, they were considered to be caused by an earthquake. But, they looked into whether it was potentially an earthquake, but that didn't make a lot of sense because the changes in the data were lasting for too long and concurrently at different locations, said Alex Solomoner, scientific data specialist. And then it says here, then he looked into, she, when Alex looked into whether it was a solar flare, as the sun has been recently active. And it says right here, indeed, the data variation was linked to the magnetic disruptions caused by solar storms. The scientists discovered that the peak deviations in the compass needles coincided with the most active and colorful auroras. So, yeah, they said that the ONC's network of instruments might provide a very helpful additional window into the effects of solar activity on Earth's terrestrial magnetism. So, yeah, and they also say that the data collected by these underwater observatories may provide crucial insights into how intense solar storms impact the surface of the Earth. However, it is unclear if these disruptions influenced marine life. Perhaps these revelations may open a new research topic. So I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. So just like these underwater monitors were a new research topic at one point. But this whole thing is kind of summed up at the bottom of this Yahoo article where it says, indeed, it's easy to think about Earth's magnetic field when looking up at a beautiful aurora. It's another to remember that the magnetic field is not just active in the stratosphere, but in the deepest recesses of the planet. So, yeah, solar flares, man. And there's the graph right there. And this is just, I don't know. What do you think? Fun stuff, man. It's this planet is its own living life, and it's got a lot of interesting things. Sometimes solar flares treat us to great things like northern lights, and then the magnetic effects of these solar flares aren't just the northern lights, but go all the way down to the bottom of the ocean. So just some Friday fun stuff, people. Stay tuned.